Dopamine system, the brain's motivation engine that drives desire, focus, and habits. Why do some things feel exciting? Why do you feel motivated one moment and empty the next? Why do habits, good or bad, feel so hard to break? The answer lies in one powerful brain network, the dopamine system. In this video, we will explain the dopamine system in simple English using real-life examples so anyone can understand how motivation, pleasure, focus, and habits are created. What is the dopamine system? The dopamine system is a network of brain areas that use dopamine, a chemical messenger, to drive motivation and goal-directed behavior. Dopamine is not just about pleasure. It is about wanting, seeking, and moving toward rewards. Think of dopamine as the brain's motivation signal. Why the dopamine system is so important? The dopamine system helps you feel motivated, take action toward goals, focus and stay driven, learn from rewards, build habits. Without dopamine, life feels flat and directionless. Dopamine versus pleasure, big misunderstanding. Many people think dopamine equals pleasure. That is not fully true. Dopamine is released before the reward, not after. It pushes you to chase the reward. Pleasure comes later. This is why anticipation feels exciting. Main parts of the dopamine system. Key brain areas involved include the ventral tegmental area, VTA, nucleus accumbens, prefrontal cortex, and basal ganglia. Together, they form the brain's reward and motivation circuit. Dopamine and motivation. Every goal starts with dopamine. When dopamine rises, motivation increases. When dopamine drops, effort feels heavy. This explains procrastination and burnout. Dopamine and habits. Habits are built through dopamine. When an action leads to a reward, dopamine strengthens the connection. Over time, the brain learns this action is worth repeating. This is how habits form, both healthy and harmful ones. Dopamine and addiction. Addictive behaviors hijack the dopamine system. Fast dopamine spikes come from social media, junk food, gambling, drugs, and constant notifications. These spikes reduce motivation for real-life goals. Dopamine and focus. Balanced dopamine improves focus. Too little dopamine causes boredom. Too much causes distraction. Healthy focus comes from stable dopamine levels. What damages the dopamine system? Modern habits overstimulate dopamine. Endless scrolling, multitasking, instant gratification, sleep deprivation. This leads to low motivation over time. How to reset and balance dopamine? You can naturally balance dopamine by delaying gratification, doing difficult but meaningful tasks, exercising regularly, getting quality sleep, limiting constant stimulation. Hard effort rebuilds dopamine sensitivity. Dopamine and long-term success. Success is not about constant pleasure. It is about training your dopamine system to value effort. When effort feels rewarding, discipline becomes easier. Final message. Dopamine is not the enemy. It is the system that gives life direction and drive. When you master your dopamine system, you regain control over motivation, habits, and focus. Welcome to Psycacademy, where psychology helps you understand what truly drives you.